How to use a YouTube TV free trial activation code. If you have a YouTube TV activation code, follow these steps to start your free trial. Step number 1, access the activation page. On a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com/start. Step number 2, enter the activation code. On the activation page, you will see a field labeled Enter Code. Carefully input the activation code you received. Step number 3, sign in to your Google account. After entering the code, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use the Google account you want to associate with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4, provide payment information. Even for a free trial, a valid payment method is required. Enter your credit card/debit card details or link a PayPal account. Step number 5, review and confirm. Check the trial duration and any items associated with the offer. Confirm that all information is correct, then proceed to start your free trial. Additional tips. Trial duration. Free trial lengths can vary. You can check the remaining days of your trial by going to Settings, then Membership in the YouTube TV app. Cancellation. To avoid charges, cancel your subscription before the trial ends. You can cancel any time during the trial period. Eligibility. Free trials are typically available only to new subscribers who haven't previously used a YouTube TV trial.